Hello, everybody. I'm Linda. I'm the old bird with Gotta Be Handmade. I have a project that I just finished that I created just for me, and I just had to share it with you. I had no idea it would turn out so great. Now, before I share this project with you, let me remind you to go and join my Facebook group, Gotta Be Handmade Live. Give me some information on others that would be interested in joining my group. Send the link to them. Invite people to our group. When you go to the group, Gotta Be Handmade Live, and you join, take that link, Gotta Be Handmade Live at Facebook, and post it on your page. Tell your friends, tell your family to join our group at Gotta Be Handmade Live. There, you'll be able to meet handmade artists who create everything from ice cream to earrings to rings to nail polish. All types of things handmade. You'll be able to meet the artists that actually make those things and purchase right from them on our live sales events. I have interviews on there with handmade artists as well. You'll like it. Come on, be a part of it. Join Gotta Be Handmade Live. Now let me share this project with you. I'm not accustomed to turning or flipping the camera, so let me see if I can get it to flip. Nope. I see it's not flipping. So let me see what I can do. Let me raise this up like this. You have to forgive the old bird. Sometimes I have these things in mind and I don't know if they're gonna work out or not. There we go. This is my ironing board. I'm in my husband's office and my studio. Half of it is my husband's office, and the other side is my crafting studio. This is my ironing board. This is a towel that I put on the ironing board to press this. Now, this is the project. Let me tell you what this is and where I got it from. This is a canvas bag that was in the Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99. It has 3 pockets on the front. It's just a canvas bag. On the bottom, it has a pleat, and it gives you a lot of room. That's the width on the inside. On the opposite side was just plain, and these are the straps that were on the bag. I took this bag and I looked at it and I said, it's a perfect size for me a new purse. Hanging up with the bags, because this canvas type bag comes in a lot of multiple sizes. They even have some very large ones that are extra large totes. Beside it, there was this little purse that had a long strap, also in the Hobby Lobby. And look, it has a zipper. It unzips, and I don't know. There you go. You see in there? Canvas. It's a nice canvas. It's sturdy, but it's not too heavy. And I looked at it, and I laid it on the bag, and I said, that's it. I'm going to stitch it all the way around on the back of the bag, because see, the front already has these 3 pockets. Great for, when you go to the restaurant and you need a place to put your keys immediately and not have them down in the bottom of your purse. I just drop them in one of these pockets. So this is the front. On the back, like I said, I had all the intentions of stitching around, creating a place that's zippered so I can put my gospel tracts, my candy, I pass out tracts, and my business cards in that area. When I got it home, I purchased both of them. This one was $1.99, I think. This one was $3.99. I got ready to stitch it on, and I said, if I stitch only 3 sides, down, across, and up, it will also be a pocket. You see? So now I have a pocket. I'm going to put my shades in there. You know how you need a place for your shades? Sometimes you get out, like today, it rained all day. And sometimes while you're out, the sun will come out. I need a place for my shades. I can stick them right in there. And then I have this zippered area. That's nice. 3 pockets. Came with it, sewn on. I looked around in my fabric stash, and what did I find? A piece of this absolutely gorgeous fabric. You see it? And I lined it. All I did was set the bag down on the fabric, cut it out all the way around. I folded it so it would have this fold. Cut it out, stitched it together on the right sides together, and then sat it down in the bag. And I had more of that fabric, so I said I'll make pockets. You see the pockets? Let me see. That's one right here. That's a pocket. This is a pocket. And over here is a pocket. So that's the inside. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it is a gorgeous fabric. And then I said I need a way to close it. In my stash, I had one of these huge, huge snaps. So I put one on that side, one on the opposite side. And now I can snap it closed. That is gorgeous. Then I needed something to cover the stitches from sewing on the snap. You see? Now this one, I don't know if you can see the stitches. The stitches are under this pocket. You see there? There they are. They are, this circle is under the pocket, so you don't see that. But this side, I needed something. Looked in my stash, and what did I have? I had this button that was already covered in this, that kind of went with the interior fabric. I just stitched it on. There it is. I don't know if you can see it, but you see, there it is, right there, covering those stitches. So now I have a new little purse. And tonight, I'm going to steam it and steam down. There we go. Steam that interior, steam those pockets down, and my purse will be made and ready. That's all I did. And I said, oh, I would like to share this with somebody before I fill it with my junk and have all of my things that's in the bag I'm carrying out. And this makes a perfect everyday bag. So I thought I would steam it, tell you about it, tell you where I got it from, and how I made it. And the inside, you can use anything that you have lying around. If you are a handmade artist or crafter, just look in your stash. I know you have a little leftover fabric. You know we do. We have these projects, and we always have a little something left over. Just like this button, I have it left over from something. I don't even remember what I made, but I had covered buttons. Now that's getting a little water on it, but it's ready, it's steamed, and that's my new bag. That's just a little water that came out of the iron. It will dry, and I just love it. And the button has that eye loop. That's why it's shaking. But it's sturdy on there. I have 4 strands of embroidery floss, so it's okay. But I thought this little bag was the cutest thing, and maybe you'd like to see it. And that's it after it's been steamed, and it came out so nice. I just love it. I thought you'd like to see it. Now look, if you create one for yourself, let me know. In the feed, I'm going to have this video on my YouTube channel. Put in the feed a photograph of the one you create for yourself and let me know what it looks like, how it turned out. And remember, go to my Facebook group, Gotta Be Handmade Live, and become a member. Join the group. Tell other people about the group. You'll love it. We're growing, and this year is going to be fantastic. I have all new artists lined up, all new things lined up. You're going to have a blast. This is the old bird. I'm Linda with Gotta Be Handmade. Because you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Bye-bye.